Alright, so here we are solving inequalities. Before we kind of graphed inequalities, but now we're solving them. I'm going to actually show you guys how to do this in two ways. And you can pick one, whichever made sense for you, okay? So this first method is called splitting. Notice how you have two sets of inequalities. This is called a compound inequality. Everyone say that?
Compound inequality.
You're basically taking two simple inequalities and putting it together. Here are the two inequalities. 1, 2. I'm going to write the first one. I'll do this side first. So I have 5/3 greater than or equal to 2/3 minus 1/2 x. And then the second one, just use your finger to cover up the other part. So then on this side it is 2/3 minus 1/2 x greater than negative 4/3. I'm going to go ahead and solve this side first. I want to eliminate the fraction. I'm going to multiply both sides by. What number? Shout it out. 6. This is 6/1, so this will give me 30/3. Greater than or equal to the 6 we're going to distribute. Put it over 1, so you're going to get 12/3 minus 6/2x. Then I can go ahead and simplify that. Minus, subtract the 4. Treat the inequality symbol like an equal sign. So what I mean by that, you can put a line down. You're kind of just doing the same operations, right? What's left? 6 greater than or equal to negative 3x. Class, what math operations between those? So we're going to divide by negative 3. What happens over here? Negative 2x. And what inequality sign? You flip the inequality sign. Why do we do that, class? Because you divide, when you divide, put a star by it, when you divide or multiply by a negative number, you flip the inequality sign. Now, this is not flipping the inequality sign from here to here. It's here to here. This one, I just want my variable on the left side. Let's do the same thing on this side. Class, what number am I going to multiply by? I'm going to multiply by a 6. That is our lowest common multiple there. It's going to eliminate the fraction. And if you think about it, this 6 multiplied by this is the same thing, isn't it? Let's multiply across, you get 12/3. Over here, that's 6 times 1, 1 times 2. This one's going to be negative 24/3. Then I'm just going to reduce my fractions. 4 minus 3x greater than or equal to negative 8. And then I'm just going to solve the inequality. Subtract 4. That equals 0. So this canceling here equals 0. I have negative 3x greater than or equal to negative 12. Divide by negative 3. Class, x. What? Oh, sorry. Tell me. X what? Less than or equal to what? 4. Now if I put my answer back together, notice how I have they both have an x. Larger number on the right, smaller number on the left. Here the inequality says x is less than or equal to 4. But look at this one. This one's pointing towards the negative 2. Pointing towards the negative 2. Do you see that? this is my answer. Now this splitting is actually a lot of work, isn't it? So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like if we kind of just kept it together. So I'm going to rewrite the original problem. I don't know. Did I feel like it? Oh, I was wrong. Roy, as you can't see, it looks like this. No, that was my mistake. Does that make you happy, Royce? Okay, what's the difference if I kept it together? And the reason why I did the splitting first is so you can understand the math that I'm doing here. Okay? If I want to eliminate the fraction, I want to multiply all three of them by what number? What number, class? 6. This will become 30 over 3, greater than or equal to. This will become 12 over 3. Get to distribute. So that will become negative 6 over 2x greater than, and then this one, negative 24 over 3. Class, this one becomes what? Talk to me, talk to me. 10 what? Greater than or equal to what? 4. Come on, come on. Minus 3x greater than negative 8. What do we do next? What do we do next? We're trying to get x by itself, right? Subtract. Did you notice that? Instead of subtracting on both sides, it's all of the sides. What are we left with? 6 greater than or equal to negative 3x greater than negative 12. Divided by negative 3. Class, tell me what's right. Negative 2. What? Less than or equal to. Four. And does that match our answer from the previous one? Yeah. Those are the same. And I think it tells us to graph it, right? Let's graph this really quickly. So I have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 2, 4. Now pay attention. I will ask you to graph it either in inequalities or in rotation. You should know how to do both. Let's do inequalities. And inequalities up here. Open or closed? Why is it closed? Open or closed? There's my inequality. Review of integral notation. Class, what symbol? Bracket. Here. And there's our solution. So bracket, negative 2, comma, 4, parentheses. So this would be the graph. That would be integral notation, and that one's inequality. So to review, you can solve this compound inequality linear equation Your choice, split it or keep it together.